Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and launching WhatsApp Desktop or opening web. WhatsApp. Com. Once done, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings Link Devices, and choose Link a Device. Then point your phone camera at the QR code on the Windows screen to connect. Do this now. It pairs your account securely and begins syncing messages. Make sure your phone stays online during the initial link so the desktop app receives recent chats and media without delay. Once the QR code is scanned, the app signs you in and immediately starts syncing your chats and media. You should allow notifications so messages pop up on Windows and grant file access when prompted to download attachments. If you choose Keep Me Signed In, you avoid repeated scans. Make sure your device is secure. While syncing, avoid closing the phone app. Progress can take a few minutes depending on message history and media size, so be patient. To finish, customize notifications, chat backup, and privacy in settings so WhatsApp behaves how you want. You can use keyboard shortcuts, start voice or video calls, and drag files into chats to send them. If something goes wrong, try the troubleshooting tip. Restart WhatsApp on both phone and PC, verify both are on the same stable network, and confirm date/time are correct on Windows. If QR scanning still fails, clear the desktop app cache or reinstall. That usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.